Hello everyone, this is Spencer from Buildapreneur. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for how to build a sales funnel, or you're looking for a sales funnel software that can just do most of it for you and not break the bank. And that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you my favorite software that I use in my business and thousands and thousands of other entrepreneurs use in their business to create powerful sales funnels that just work. So we're going to use a software called ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels, there's a link down below if you want to sign up for ClickFunnels and just head off with it right now, that's fine. At the very end, I'm going to offer a cool bonus. I'm going to offer a free course to get you started with ClickFunnels and succeeding with ClickFunnels. So I would wait till the end, but that's totally fine if you just want to dive in and get going. Anyway, we're going to look at ClickFunnels real quick and just kind of look at what makes ClickFunnels the best funnel building software there is out there. What we have here, I've created just a blank template, just a totally blank sales funnel that we can start fresh from, and we can look at different aspects of why ClickFunnels is awesome. Okay, so on the left here, what happens is you can add a bunch of different steps. You basically create your sales funnel on the left here, right? So I'm going to have an opt-in, which is where I want to capture someone's email address. So now I'm going to create something. Let's say I want a sales page 1. Okay, and what path do I want, which is pretty much right here, the URL, right? I'm going to say sales page 1. I can do whatever I want, and I'm going to create the new page. So what I have here now is a two-step funnel. The first step, I have someone opt in. They give me their email address, and I teach them something. And on the next step, I start to try to sell them something. Okay, that's a pretty typical sales funnel. So cool thing, it's got tons and tons of different templates you can choose from that kind of are proven to convert, or you can just go blank and try to create it from scratch yourself. I'm going to do that just to show you how easy the editor is. Okay, on this sales page, we can just edit the page here. Okay, blank start. Let's say I want to set a background for the page, which I typically do. I usually go with like a nice wood background. Let's throw that one on there. Okay, cool background. Then the way it's built, they just have a page editor where you can add sections, which basically go across the whole screen. They can add rows, which are basically columns within those sections. And then there's elements, which are things like text and images and videos and whatever else you want to add. So let's say I was trying to sell something. You can go in right here. You can create I'm going to delete their section because who needs it? Add a section. I'm going to go full width. Okay, I can change the background of that section to any color I want. So BG color here, black, let's say. I can change the opacity so it's kind of this nice, cool see-through. You see how cool that is? I can add the columns to that section. So how many columns do you want it to be? You know, how do you want us to break up the screen? Let's say I want to do 2 columns to start. And actually, I would typically do like a 1-column headline to start. So let's do that and drag and drop it in there. So you see how easy this is? I'm going to add a new element, a headline. Want to learn to create funnels. That's relevant, right? Okay. And in fact, when I give you that free course at the end, it's going to be built in ClickFunnels. Okay, so you want to learn to create funnels. I can add other elements here like images. Just click it and upload images as you go. So if I want to introduce me and my family, right here's me, my wife, and my kid. Okay, we can add all kinds of text elements. We can add bolded lists. We can add different buttons. We can add forms so people can input stuff. So let's say we want someone to put in their email address, and then we want them to click a button to submit that form. I can just click there. I missed it, sorry. Click button. Okay. You can do all kinds of to these elements there. You can do all kinds of changes. I can make the button go full width like that. I can change the font size in the button if I want, kind of make it a little bigger there. Yes, hook me up. See how easy that is? I can add, I'd probably add some text up there above it and stuff. But really, you can do anything you want in a matter of minutes. I could take a website that's somewhere out there on the internet and I could recreate it inside of ClickFunnels, typically in less than an hour. So on a single page of a funnel, the editor is powerful, very, very cool, very easy to quickly create pages. Let me back out of it here. Okay, so what you just saw was a sales page. There's an opt-in page, there's a sales page. One of the coolest things about ClickFunnels and what sets it apart from everybody else is the option to upsell people, okay? The true power of funnels. Let's say someone buys something on that first sales page. Yeah, I'll take that $49 product. Well, do we want it to end there? No, we'd love to make a little more money off them, right? So one of the coolest things about ClickFunnels is we can add what's called an OTO page. Path OTO. What an OTO page is it's a one button. They just have to click one button, and it will automatically add that to their cart and bill them for that as well, okay? Very, very powerful. So when someone says, yes, I want that initial product, it takes them straight to a page that looks like, let me go here, sales page, one-click upsell, something like this, let's say. It's gonna look a little spammy, okay? It doesn't have to look spammy. This is just a template that I clicked. Okay? Stop, blah, blah, blah. Do you want to add that to your cart? You click that button and it's added to your cart. You've purchased it and you can go on, okay? Very, very easy to do. You can do upsells. You can do downsells in your funnel. You can do order bumps, which are basically little checkboxes you can have people click to add things to your funnel or to add things to their cart in just one click. All these things are very, very powerful ways to make more money off people that you send through your funnel, okay? And ClickFunnels has just got it down to just such a T. They're so good at it now. So you can see I could just keep creating funnels. I could have an OTO, I could have a downsell, I could have an upsell, I could have a thank you page, a checkout page if I want, an order confirmation page. There's all kinds of templates here that I could run with. And basically, it just puts people through a sales funnel journey, captures their email, and it starts offering them products. Okay, they buy something, it offers them upsells. They decide not to buy something, it offers them downsells. Very, very simple structure and very easy to use. You can see here that you can easily split test. So if you want to see how two different pages do, against each other, you can split test. You can look at stats here, and it'll give you a breakdown of like which pages are doing better and how many people are opting in and going to your next page and things like that. Very, very cool. Okay, next thing I want to talk about, tracking. If you're in the business of sales funnels or selling anything you want to track, you have tracking codes from Facebook and Google and Hotjar and whatever all of your different softwares are that you're using to track. So you can easily add tracking code in the funnel settings right here. You can put stuff in the head or the body. You just copy and paste it in there. Very easy to do, very much built for marketers. Okay, another cool thing, integrations. A lot of people are like, well, is it going to work with my website? Is it going to work with my this, my that? So you can integrate it with any website just by adding it to a subdomain, or you can add it to your actual WordPress site using domains here. You can integrate it using integrations. It's going to show you a big list of all the different integrations here. You can integrate it with all these different email autoresponders or your Facebook ads or your webinar service or HubSpot, Infusionsoft, Kajabi, Entreport, MailChimp, you've seen Shopify. You can integrate with virtually any software. And if you can't, you can usually integrate with Zapier, which will then integrate with any software. So very, very powerful integrations that work really well and really easy that can make ClickFunnels work with other softwares that are within your organization. Very, very helpful to have the payment integration, for example. Whoops. So for payment gateways, you can easily link your Stripe account or your Square account or whatever that is. Okay, so I've already added my Stripe account, but you can click here and add your payment gateway. And that works simply as well. It takes about 3 minutes to set up, and then you just have to connect the funnel with one click. So very easy to integrate with payments. And lastly, it's just very easy to integrate with your website. So I can go to domains here. You can see I've integrated tons of domains. Click Plus, you can buy a domain through ClickFunnels or add your own domain. It takes about 5 minutes. I hope I've kind of given you a brief overlook of what ClickFunnels is, okay? And that's just the sales funnel software. They have email automation software. They have an affiliate program where you can run your own affiliate program through ClickFunnels. All kinds of things, but obviously we're focusing on sales funnels right now. Okay, so now the offer. Like I said, I'm going to make an offer. I have spent probably hundreds of hours inside of ClickFunnels, and I've created a course, probably 7 or 8 hours long, that just shows you not only how to use all these things in ClickFunnels and kind of gets you off the ground, but it shows you how to succeed. So the strategy, right, is just as important. So there's a card that'll pop up. You can click that and it'll send you there, or there's a second link down below. You can click that and it'll send you totally free. You can sign up and get access to that course, all yours. Not asking anything for it. I am asking for an email, but the course is all yours, and you don't even have to sign up with ClickFunnels to get it. So click that link down below, or just click the ClickFunnels link and head off to ClickFunnels and get going. This is Spencer from Buildapreneur. If you liked what you've watched, which I hope you have, I introduce all kinds of cool tools on this channel and show you how to use them on this channel and give you all kinds of marketing hacks. Slap subscribe, and I hope to see you again on the next video. Thank you.